Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Hey, today I've got for you from Aquaboon. They sent me this package of these filters to check out. Let you know what I thought about them. So that's what we're doing here. Aquaboon's been in my house many times, not the company themselves, their filters. Um, I'm familiar with them. I like them, quality stuff. But this is a 1 micron carbon filter. And I use this in my reverse osmosis system under the sink. And I know it'll do a great job. Um, and I'm excited about getting it in there. I'll let you know later on the absolute results. But like I said, it's a 1 micron. It's going to get everything that's left in the water by the time it hits the sink. And we like that. So uh, you can get you some now. Give them a try yourself. I know you're going to like them. Thanks. Bye now.